How goes it? It's me, Jules, and I'm sitting right here in my camper. It's been 1 week ago today from the time of filming that I purchased this camper, and it's been quite the learning experience. I've gotten a lot accomplished, but I still have a lot to do. So, gonna drink some coffee, do a little cleanup, and go from there. Yeah, I've made quite the mess here. Yeah, it's collected quite the amount of dirt over the years, so this stuff has got to go. So I took this step off here. It was covered in carpet. I think I'm just gonna paint it. There are 2 rusted out. It's like rivets. I've got this spray, Rust Reformer, instantly converts rust to protected paintable surface. So I'm gonna give that a shot, but once I spray this, it's pretty potent. So I'm gonna get out of here for a few minutes. Huh, it looks like a raccoon eyes. So now I'm going to remove this top section of the wall. That way I'll have access down here to paint. It'll give me some room. So here it goes. It's not what it looks like. And like that, it's off. Just have to remove this piece of trim and I can finish sanding. It's time to head in. I've got this mess to clean. Let's pick back up tomorrow. Ta-da! So I think I'm starting to run out of room to put stuff. I've got this door for the restroom, table, pillows, a bunch of things I just took apart. I've got the bathroom walls just sitting here in the dining area. I've got more drawers, cabinets, and pillows sitting on the other bed. I think I just need to start painting this side of the camper. Replace all the cabinets and doors, get it out of my way. This will be a project of its own. I've got to take it apart, sand it down, and paint it. I'm gonna have to do that outside. Also, the sofa's gonna have to come out so I could reupholster it, get it out of the way so I could paint this end of the camper. So that's why I think I'm gonna work on one end, get that painted, get the cabinets and doors put back in. It'll clear up some space on both sides of the camper. Just give me a cleaner workspace. So yeah, let's get to it. So I just realized I should probably put that step back in before I start caulking everything and painting. Alright, so I have to let this sit for 2 to 6 hours. Now to fix my mistake. See, my hope is I could just fill this in. That way this will sit flat for the most part. Might have to glue it down after this stuff is set. But then I'll come back with some molding and hopefully won't really be able to notice it. And now for the boring part. Got to start taping everything up so I could start painting. Finally. Is that rain? Oh dang. Looks like rain. Oh yeah. This is tedious. I think I'm gonna take a break for a while and do something else. I'll come back to this. So the filler I used is set, I sanded it down. Now I'm just gonna install it back where it goes. So I'm on a roll right now. I've pretty much got everything taped that I want taped for now. But I'm not gonna let this night thing stop me. I'm gonna finish up. That way I'll be able to paint first thing in the morning. Oh yeah.